Alright, in this video, I'm going to show you a trading system that has been working extremely well for me. Okay, and it is my goal that by the time you're done watching this video, I want to be able to convince you and prove to you that trading volume is the only way to trade, in my humble opinion. Because when you master volume and you integrate it with strong risk management, I'm telling you folks, you'll be able to reach overall profitability in spite of taking some losing trades. You follow? So let's get into it, folks. My name is Mark at DynoTrading. It is good to be with you. Today is Tuesday, March 26th, and what you're seeing on the screen right now is today's live price action chart with our proprietary volume indicator color band overlaid on top of the chart. Now, what I want to walk you through are all of my live trades from today within context of an idea that I had covered in my most recent live webinar, where we talked about an interesting theory called smashing the close. And the idea behind this concept, folks, is very simple. Okay, what I've been attempting to do is seeing what happens when I trade just the last 90 minutes of each trading day. You follow? Because my theory is that there's a lot of volume that comes rushing into the market during that last 1 hour. And if we can figure out what the large traders are doing using volume, okay, then I think we have an incredible opportunity to potentially make a lot of money. All right, so first things first, let me go ahead and clean up the chart a little bit, and I'd like to get you guys dialed into two of the live trades that I took to the short side today. Now, why short, right? Everybody always asks, hey, Mark, how do you get the direction right? Well, folks, it's simple. Volume will always tell you the truth. That is the nature behind this simple but effective volume indicator color band. When it's green, we look for longs. And when it turns red, like it did right there, okay, then we start looking for shorts. But we only take short trades within the context of, yup, you guessed it, folks, a retracement. If I've said it once, then I've said it 1,000 times. Retracements are the highest probability trading setups you're ever going to see in your life. I don't care what symbol you trade, what hours you trade, or even how many contracts you trade. Okay, retracements just work. I love them, my customers love them, and they just work. Now, can you take a look at this short retracement setup that I had to pounce on today? Right? Take a look at it. Take a real good look. This particular setup absolutely met all of my criteria to enter a short trade. Okay, so I entered right there. Stop loss was there, and as usual, I'm looking for one-to-one risk reward. But what happened on this trade? Well, on this trade, which I'm going to call trade number one, the market did not move in my direction. Matter of fact, the market immediately reversed and stopped me out for a one-bar loser. All right, I mean, that stinks. That absolutely stinks. There's no nice way to say that. Nobody likes to get stopped out, right? But the trend remained intact. Like, this volume indicator was still red. You understand? And lo and behold, take a look. Let me get you guys dialed in. Take a look at that second gorgeous retracement that showed up right there. When I saw that second retracement, I had to pounce on that as well, right? Entry happens there. Stop loss gets placed 1 or 2 ticks or pips. If you trade Forex above that signal bars high, you guys know the spacing between these two lines represents the risk on the trade. And now, if I zoom out a little bit and fit this back to scale, take a look at that thing. Just take an absolute dump heading right into the close. Matter of fact, take a look at where I took profits. You see that STP, short take profit number 2. I was able to bag an enormous profit on trade number 2 in spite of losing on trade number 1. You follow? So those of you who were in the webinar and you got my point on what I was trying to say with respect to smashing the close, this is a very interesting experiment, you could say, on really trying to capitalize on large moves that take place just in the last 90 minutes of each trading day. Okay, I think it's totally worth your while to start paying more attention to this technique. And for everybody else, those of you that are, I guess, classified as amateur traders or retail traders or just people that don't know what they're doing, then I really want to hammer this point home. All right, always find a way in my humble opinion, to trade the trend. I've built an extremely impressive trading indicator that I think is spot on at nailing the trend almost in any market every day across all symbols. I think it's pretty special, and if you'd like to learn more, get at me. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.